Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we'll show you how to use Basecamp for beginners. If you're looking for a way or a guide, an easy guide on how to use and how to know Basecamp, this video is for you, so stay tuned. All right, so first things first. Uh, if you wanna get to Basecamp, open any browser, of course. Go to google.com and just search for Basecamp. And it's gonna be basically the second option here. It's the same as the first, but this is a sponsored link. We'd much rather use the main link. So you go to Basecamp and you're gonna be brought to this homepage, the Basecamp homepage. So you might be wondering, what is Basecamp? Basecamp is pretty much one of the more popular, one of the better project management suites. Uh, it's very simple to use. It's very ergonomic. It's very user and beginner friendly. So, what are project management suites or software or websites? It's kind of like Asana. It's kind of like uh, Trello, ProofHub, Podio, Smartsheet, Recamp, Jira, ClickUp. You know, those types of websites. And these are pretty much for agencies and businesses that need online interaction with their employees. So maybe you're working with a freelancer or you're working with employees that work from home. This is a very efficient way to interact and correspond with them when it comes to work. So let's check out the Basecamp homepage first. And as you can see, uh, these are pretty much their features: message board, say goodbye to long email threads. So Basecamp has have message boards, and you could add different message boards for different projects. So for example, you have an ad campaign, you can have a separate message board for that. If you're talking to a client, a specific client, you can have separate message board for that. So you don't need to email employees or email clients back and forth. That just becomes tedious. You can have the client join your Basecamp, and you could communicate with them via the message board. To do lists. So it says full team visibility, task by task. So a lot of project management suites or websites have this. Some are more complex than the others. When it comes to Basecamp, it's pretty simple. You put a to-do list for a certain employee, and that certain employee will see that, and you can put a deadline. You can put specifics about their task, and Basecamp's to-do list is one of the easiest and one of the simplest to-do lists you can get. And docs and files, no need to jump to another app to share files. They have their own like built-in Google Drive. So, and I know for a fact that their storage is pretty big, and I think it's based on the plan that the owner of the Basecamp has. And it is it's very fluid, it's very smooth, it's not laggy, and it's very simple to use. Campfire is kind of like, if you've used Discord, it's like the channels on Discord. So it's kind of like a group chat slash Discord channel where people can interact and talk to each other. It's like a group chat pretty much, right? And it's where, like, your boss can be like, "Hey guys, what's up? You want to hang out and talk? Let's talk about the week." Blah blah blah. You can do that. Scheduling, it's pretty much Google Calendars, right? It's self-explanatory. Card tables. This is like their own simpler Trello board. If you've used Trello, so as you can see here, this is pretty much what you see on your Basecamp dashboard. So let's watch it quickly.
This is what a project.
Let's not let's mute that. So as you can see here, this is the thing that as you can see, that, yeah, see, like what I said, different message boards for different things, docs and files. There's actually thumbnails. You can see previews to it, to-do lists. See, as you can see, you can just check it out. You see the date. You see the person assigned to that to-do list. The schedules. It's very simple, very easy to see, very easy to read. And docs and files. Again, message board. Here you go. Right. It's very streamlined. It's very easy to use. Like what I said, it is very beginner and you know ergonomically friendly for people who are just starting out, either as a employer or as a employee who utilizes project management software. So yeah, as you can see there you go. That's pretty much the whole thing. You can see your assignments on the bottom, your schedule on the bottom. Let's pause it. You can see on top it says home lineup, pings, hey, activity, my stuff. So my stuff is pretty much your to-do list and other activities that you're part of. And hey is pretty much when people tag you in something. Pings are again when people are trying to talking to you, trying to get your attention. So yeah, it's pretty streamlined. It's pretty easy to use. There you have it. It says here what makes Basecamp special. It's dialed in for nearly 2 decades. We've continually refined a unique set of tools and methods to fundamentally reduce complexity and make project management more of a joy and less of a chore. And they did this by streamlining everything. Everything is easy to use. Everything is easy to find. Unlike other things like Asana is very popular right now, but it's very complex compared to Basecamp. Um, and yeah, like this website has been vouched for by countless people, right? Because it does work. It is one of the best in my opinion, at least top three in my opinion, because it's very easy to use. So like if you wanna sign up, you could just click try Basecamp for free. No credit card required, which is pretty cool and cancelable anytime. And as you can see here, another almost 2,000 orgs signed up last week. And they have two simple plans. One is $15 per month per user. They only bill you for employees, ideal for freelancers, startups, or small teams. And then Pro Unlimited, perfect for growing businesses, larger groups, and companies that want the best. So every feature we offer plus timestamp file and document storage. 5 terabytes is very big. It is very big. Even if you have a video editor and a graphic designer and a web developer, that is very big. And you have what do you call this? You have 24/7 support, and you're prioritized if you're gonna use Unlimited Pro. And you have one-on-one onboarding tour with their team. Option to pay annually by check, so you can use a check to pay them annually. Annual billing for simplified accounting. It, it's well worth it, right? Unlimited projects, loads of storage space, invite guests for free. Every single feature and tool, innovative client access. So this is very great. So like what you want to do, if you have a Basecamp account, you just click login. Or if you're starting out, just pricing plus sign up. This is pretty much it, right? So login, it's pretty simple, just like any other website. It's faster with the Google sign up. So me myself personally, I do not have an account for this. I used to work for a client that used Basecamp primarily, and how you do these things is you don't really need to be signed in to Basecamp, or you don't need to really have a Basecamp account. What you need to have is an invite. So if you get invited, you could pretty much browse and use Basecamp. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's one of the best. I do think it is better than Asana and the others, and this might have because of like bias because I've used this before. Um, this goes hand in hand with Slack, in my opinion, or Discord. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the rundown on Basecamp and how to use it. And yeah, that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next